Welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds, and thank you for watching our walk around video of this Suzuki Vitara SZ4, finished in galactic grey metallic. One previous owner from new purchased from us here at Luscombe's. Also fully maintained by our Suzuki approved technicians. Absolutely fabulous condition, extremely well looked after. The nice graphite grey alloy wheels as well that go with the vehicle. Ample space there in the boot for your luggage, along with a partition. So you can have a divider there to secrete objects underneath. Got the nice 1.6 engine with 120 brake horse, returning in excess of 50 miles per gallon, which is fabulous for an SUV. Full service history, as I mentioned, with ourselves. Being the SZ4 model, you get the Bluetooth as standard, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Quite handy for when you're on the long journeys. There's plenty of speed cameras around. Unlike most vehicles these days, you also get DAB and CD player. And along there with your climate control, so you can preset the cabin temperature for you and your passengers. I do strongly recommend that you take a look at our technician's appraisal video, which goes a little more in depth underneath the vehicle and inside the mechanics. All our vehicles come fully serviced and provided with a 12-month MOT. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or review in, please do give us a call on 01132 712 288. Thank you.